guys, this is Michelle. Welcome back to the Food, Health, Nutrition, Wealth YouTube channel. So this week I'm going to be going over our meal plan and then going into our grocery haul. So to start out, I'm still using the Budget Moms kind of meal planning sheet here. And like I said, I budget and do our meal planning from Saturday to Sunday. So even though Saturday is at the bottom, it is the first day. It'll be simple. We're just going to be having like a tuna salad, kind of an easy kind of meal. And then Sunday, I'll be meal prepping beef stew, and we'll be having that for 2 days using our grass-fed beef from our TruLocal box. Tuesday, we'll be having the last of our trout that was in our freezer. So you guys have seen me mention it for a few weeks. We've been having it about once a week, and it's been great. So I'll definitely be buying that. It's trout from Costco, and I do like it. So that's for that day. And then Wednesday and Thursday, we'll be having our grass-fed beef for cheeseburgers and some vegetables. Then on Friday, which is Valentine's Day, we figured it'd be a good day to try the grass-fed ribeye steak from TruLocal. So we'll be having that with some mashed rutabaga and some broccoli. So that kind of rounds out our meal plan. I will be prepping the beef stew and then some muffins, coconut muffins. So you guys would have just recently seen my coconut blueberry muffin video go up. So those are kind of a good easy snack for us to have during the week. So I do make them ahead. And I'll be making some almond flour cheddar biscuits to go with the beef stew. And that's my plan for the Sunday meal prepping. For our groceries, again, mostly just produce and dairy, little pantry items to supplement the meat we get from the TruLocal box. So here's the plan of what we're going to get, and I'll show you what I get as soon as I get back. Alright guys, I just got back from the grocery store. You can see everything that I got here, and I'll just show you here. I went to Costco. We did get some cheddar cheese and another one of those 4 packs of the broccoli florets. And I did pick up the Chosen Foods mayonnaise with coconut oil, so you can see the nutrition facts table there in the ingredient list. So I'm kind of excited to try that. I also got, so now this is outside of Costco. Now I went to another grocery store. We've got espresso, eggs. I got rutabaga. Now that's going to be for the beef stew. And then radishes for the same recipe. Avocados, the liquid water enhancers. Garlic and mushrooms. Tuna. We got some bacon and butter. And that brings us everything, and along with the meat that I get from TruLocal, we'll be having a nice set of meals this week. Hey guys, so now I'm just going to touch base and show you where we left off with the grocery haul budget, and we're pretty much on target. I did end up getting an extra butter. $2.99 is pretty much the lowest price, sale price we typically see for butter, and since it's inconsistent whether every week there'll be a sale on, I did get 2. And then mushrooms were, the ones that were on for $3 didn't look so great. And they had like basically a larger size that was cheaper per gram, if you want to put it that way. That looked really good. So I got those for $3.97. Other than that, the liquid water enhancers were on a price reduction and they were a bit cheaper. So it more or less balanced out, just a little bit over what I had planned, but great overall. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really does help us a lot. If you aren't already, consider subscribing. We'd love to have you come back. I do weekly grocery haul and meal planning videos and also a weekly recipe video. So until next time, bye-bye.